conversion. Next is unit conversion. See here, 1 kilometer means how many meters? How many meters? 1000 meters. 1 kilometer means 1000 meters. Next, 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. Next, 1 hour means how many minutes? 60 minutes. Next, 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. Then 1 hour is equal to how many seconds? 60 into 60, that is 3600 seconds. 3600 seconds. See, 1 hour means 60 minutes, 1 minute means 60 seconds. Therefore, 60 into 60, that is 3600 seconds. Now, what type of conversion we want to do? See here, consider the speed as 36 kilometer per hour. The speed as 36 kilometer per hour means per hour it is traveling 36 kilometers. In 1 hour it is traveling 36 kilometers. Then in 1 second how many meters it is going to travel? In 1 second how many meters it is going to travel? See here, 36 kilometers means how many meters? Into 1000, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So, 36 kilometer means 36 into 1000. Next, how many seconds? See, this is for 1 hour means per minute means divide by 60, per second means again 60. So, 36 into 1000 by 3600. So, that is equal to 36 into 10 by 36, that is 5, 2 5s are 10, 2 18s are 36. So, 36 into 5 by 18. So, if you want to convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second then you have to multiply it by 5 by 18. Why we have to multiply it by 5 by 18? Already I have shown you. Okay. So, you have to multiply it by 5 by 18. 5 by 18. Okay. So, next, see here, we have multiplied it by 5 by 18. Next, see here, 36 kilometer per hour. How many meters per hour? 36 into 1000 meters per hour. Then per minute by 60, per second another 60. So, you have to be very careful. So, next I am taking 10 meter per second. See, if you solve this one, 36 into 5 by 18, 18 2s are 36, 5 into 2 10 meter per second. Next I am taking 10 meter per second. If I do the reverse manner, I should get 36. See, 10 meter per second is the data. I want to convert 10 meter per second into kilometer per hour. So, see here, 1 meter is equal to how many kilometers? 1 meters is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. 1 by 1000 kilometers. Okay, so 10 meter per second means 10 into 1 by 1000. Next, okay. Next, I have to convert to hour. So, see here, 1 second is equal to how many hours? 1 by 3600. 1 by 3600 hours. So, divided by 1 by 3600. So, 10 into 3600 by 1000. So, which is equal to 10 into 18 by 5. 10 into 18 by 5, 5 2s are 10, so which is equal to 36. Okay, 36 kilometers per hour. 36 kilometers per hour. So, from meter per second to kilometer per hour, if you want to convert, then you have to multiply it by 18 by 5. Let me repeat again. From kilometer per hour to meter per second, if you want to convert, then you have to multiply it by 5 by 18. Then you have to multiply it by 5 by 18. 5 by 18. So from meter per second to kilometer per hour to meter per second into 5 by 18, from meter per second to kilometer per hour into 18 by 5. This is mandatory. This is mandatory because if the units are not same, you won't get the right answer. The units should be perfect. The units should be perfect. Okay, fine. Next concept, very important concept. The concept is called relative speed. See, if you go with the concept relative speed, so many problems are there. If you implement the concept relative speed, you can save lot of time. So what do you mean by relative speed? Let me give you a best example. Consider that you are moving in a train or a bus. Consider that you are moving in a train or a bus, and while moving you see through window. So what you can see? We can see that the trees are passing. Okay, we see that the trees are passing. Actually, the trees doesn't pass. We are moving. But what we see? The trees are moving. We see that the trees are moving. If we are going in some direction, if we are going in this direction, we see that the trees are moving in this direction. Actually speaking, the trees doesn't pass. Okay, but what we feel that the trees are moving in our opposite direction. One more best example let me give. You are traveling in a car. One more car comes in front of you. You feel that the trees are moving. So what do you mean by this? Actually trees doesn't move. Means you are giving your speed to tree. Means you are watching the tree by giving your speed to tree. Okay, so means your speed is 0 and the tree speed is your speed. For example, you are moving at 50 km per hour. Okay, you watch through the window. So you feel that the trees are moving. Means your 50 km per hour you are seeing on the tree. Means your speed is 0 and the tree speed is 50 km per hour. So this is called relative speed. If you move slowly, then you feel that the trees are moving slowly. If you move fast, you feel that the trees are moving fast. Means what? You see the tree by giving your speed to the tree. So if you are traveling at 50 km per hour, then when you see through the window, the speed of the tree will be 50 km per hour. Means you are giving your speed to the tree and your speed is 0. So this is called relative speed. So the tree is a standing object. So whatever is your speed, it will be the relative speed of the tree. Okay, relative means comparison. Okay, so I am going to compare my speed with the tree speed. Okay, my speed is 50, but in the relative speed I am going to give my speed to the tree. Okay, so tree is getting 50 km per hour. So what I feel, the tree is moving at 50 km per hour. If I move slowly, then the tree is also moving. Then the tree is also going to move slowly. If I move very fast, then the tree is also going to move very fast. See, tree is a standing object. Next, if the object is in movement, then what you do? If the object is in movement, then what you do? See here, very simple. Consider that you are going in a car. In front of you, one person is walking. Okay, a person is coming in front of you by a walk. Obviously, your speed will be more than the person's speed. But what we feel that the person is moving very fast in front of us. Let me take one more example. You are traveling in a car. In front of you, one more car is coming. In the opposite direction of your car, one more car is coming. Even though the speed of the car is very slow, what we feel? While crossing each other, we feel that the speed of the car is many more. Means we are going to give our speed to that car. We are going to give our speed to that car, and that car is going to take our speed, and initially also that car is having the separate speed. See here, our car is traveling at 50 km per hour. In front of our car, one more car is coming. That car too is traveling at 10 km per hour. But while crossing each other, we feel that the car is crossing us in a high speed. Means what? we are giving our speed to that car. Our speed is 0 and that car takes our speed. So, that is 50 kilometer per hour. 50 kilometer per hour. That car takes our speed, that is 50, and separate speed the car had initially, that is 10. So, totally the speed of the car is 60 kilometer per hour. 60 kilometer per hour. You take one more example. You are traveling in a car, in front of you one bus is coming. Okay, you may travel at 50 kilometer per hour and the bus is coming in front of you at 60 kilometer per hour. But while crossing each other, we feel that the bus is crossing very fast than actual speed. So, why we feel like that? See, we are going to give our speed to the bus. So, what is our speed? Our speed is 50. We are going to give our speed to the bus, that is 50 kilometer per hour. So, altogether what is the speed of the bus? That is 110 kilometer per hour. So, this is called relative speed. So, while the two bodies are coming in opposite directions, when the two bodies are in the movement, when the two bodies are coming in the opposite directions, we are going to add their speeds. When the two bodies are coming in the opposite direction, we are going to add their speeds, that is S1 plus S2. But in reality, that is not going to happen. Okay, only thing is what we feel, but in reality that is not going to happen. See here, let me take an example how this relative speed works. See here, a person A has to reach B and there is two places, that is called A and B. A person from A, that is called X, he is going to travel and he wants to reach B. So, the speed of X is 30 kilometer per hour. Next, one more person, that is called Y, from B he is traveling, the speed of that person is 20 kilometer per hour. The speed of that person is 20 kilometer per hour and the distance between these two cities is 100 kilometers. 100 kilometers. See here, in 1 hour he is going to travel 30 kilometers. In 1 hour he is going to travel 20 kilometers. So, here 30 gone, here 20 gone. Next, in 1 hour he is going to travel 30 kilometer, in 1 hour he is going to travel 20 kilometers. So, again 30 gone, 20 gone. So, altogether how much gone? 60 and 40, 60 and 40. So, altogether 100. See, if I use the concept called relative speed for the same condition, A, B, distance between those two cities are 100 kilometers, okay, X and Y. X is 30 kilometer, next 30 kilometer per hour, Y is 20 kilometer per hour, Y is 20 kilometer per hour. Both are traveling in the opposite direction. If they are going to travel in opposite direction, means what we do? We add their speeds S1 plus S2, that is equal to, see here, 30 plus 20, which is equal to 50. Means X is giving his entire speed to Y. X is giving his entire speed to Y. Okay, and Y is coming to reach X. This can happen. Otherwise, X is taking the entire speed from Y. Means X is going to reach Y. So, what is the speed? 50 is the speed. Whether X may go and reach Y or Y may go and reach X. Okay, meet X, it does not matter because one of the person is 0 because X is already given his speed to Y and now X is 0. Y has to travel and he has to meet X, means X will be in this starting point itself. The X is not having any movement, okay, and vice versa. In the same, it is going to give the same meaning for X also. If Y is 0, Y is going to give the entire speed to X, then Y will be 0, X has to meet Y and Y is having no movement, Y is having no movement. Then see here 100 kilometers, then divide by 50, so which is equal to 2 hours. Here also we took 2 hours, here also we took 2 hours. First hour 30, first hour 20, second hour 30, second hour 20. So, we took 2 hours, here also we are taking 2 hours. So, because of this reason, we have to go with the relative speed concept. So, now you people may have understood how the relative speed works. Okay, see here how relative speed works. It is very easy for you people to calculate the values with the help of the relative speed. So, when the two bodies are going to move in the opposite direction, then the relative speeds are S1 plus S2. You have to add their speeds. Next condition, when the two bodies are going to travel in the same direction. Okay, see here, when the two bodies are going to travel in the same direction. So, then what is the nature of the speeds?